Morning friends, lesson number 1, crop production and management. Exercise. Question 1, tick the correct options. Question first इसका, the science that deals with breeding, feeding and caring of domestic animal is called dash. Option is animal husbandry. Second, which of the following is not a cereal? Answer is option B, pea. Third, urea is dash. Answer is fertilizers, A. Fourth, rhizobium bacteria are found in dash. Option इसका है C, root nodules. Fifth, on commercial scale food grains are stored in big cylindrical structures called. इसका ऑप्शन है B, silos. Sixth, answer is question 6, uprooting of weeds by a garden trowel is method of controlling them dash. Answer is B, mechanically. Seventh question, before sowing seeds should be treated with dash. Option is B, option C, fungicides. Eighth, the soil that needs less frequent irrigation is dash. इसका आंसर इज बी, क्लेई. Ninth question, the process of removal of anthers to prevent self pollination is called. Answer is B, emasculation. B, fill in the blanks. The crop that sown in the winter season are called dash. Answer is rabi crops. Question second, the plowed land is leveled with the help of dash. Answer is leveler. Third, the supply of water to plants at regular intervals through sources other than rain is called dash. Answer is irrigation. Fourth, the unwanted plants that grow along with the main crop in a field are called dash. Answer is weeds. Fifth, dash help in the separation of grains from husk. Answer is winnowing. Question 6, plants of the same kind grown at one place on a large scale is called dash. Answer is crop. Seventh, the process of transferring the seedling from nursery to field is called dash. Answer is transplantations. Eighth, pesticides include rodenticides and dash. Answer is insecticides. C, state whether the following statement true and false. Rewrite the false statement correctly. First, on a small scale, farmers store grains in jute bags. Answer is option is true. It is a true statement. Question second, introduction of fertilizers into the field is called biological control of weeds. Answer is false. Third, the product of cultivated plant is called harvesting. Answer is false. Pests are organisms that attack and damage crops. Answer is true. Fifth, kharif crops are harvested at the end of monsoon season. Answer is true. Question 4, very short answer questions. First, what are two methods of sowing seeds? First, by traditional tools or by seed drills. Question second, name two main modern methods of irrigation. Answer is drip irrigation and sprinkler systems. Question third, name the machines that perform a dual jobs as harvester and thresher. Answer is combine machine. Question fourth, name two rabi crops. Answer is mustard, wheat and pea. Question fifth, what is the first step for growing crops? Answer is preparation of soil. Question 6, name the nitrogen fixing bacteria present in root nodules of leguminous plant. Answer is rhizobium bacteria. Question 7, name a common weedicides. Answer is 2,4-D and malathion and phyton.